Hello everyone, I am Tabish Abbasi, and in this particular video, we are going to solve another important problem on the topic of number system. So without any further delay, let's get start the video. So as you can see, this is our question. If 72 exactly divides 42573x, what is the smallest value for x? Let me tell you. This is number, the number is 72. And what is 72? 72 is nothing but 9 into 8. And these all are co-prime. Okay. Now let me tell you what I'm telling you, this 9 into 8 and whatever. So if we do the prime factorization of 72, it will become 9 into 8. It will also become 2 into 4 and 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Okay. So this is the prime factorization of 72. Now let's find out the co-prime pair. Now let me tell you what is co-prime. Co-prime number are those number. Basically, it cannot be a single number. It will be a pair of two number. Okay. Let's take an example of 9, 8. What is 9, 8? 9, 8 are two numbers, and is there any common factor between in these numbers except 1? If we have such types of two number, if the common factor of those two number is only 1, okay, so those both number will be co-prime pair. Okay, so those both number can make a co-prime pair. So if 72 divides a number exactly, it means if 9 and 8 both divides the number, and if the number is exactly divided by both of these number, it means that particular number will also be divided by 72. Now let me tell you again. If a number, let's suppose this is a number x. If it is divisible by 9 and 8 both, listen it carefully, not either 9 or 8. If a number x is divided by both 9 and 8, it means this number will exactly divisible by 72 also. Okay. Now let's try to apply this concept on this number. So this number is 42573x. Okay. Now tell me, what is the divisibility rule of 8? The divisibility rule of 8 is nothing but if the last three digits of number is completely divisible by 8, it means this complete number will also be divisible by 8. So let's check the last three digits. 73x divided by 8. 8 9 is 72, 1. So what will I take the value of x so that 8 can completely divide that number? So I can take 6 value here. So I can take value of x as 6. So 8 2 is 16, it will completely divide. So it means if you put the value of x as 6, so the number will be 4257336. It means this number is completely divisible by 8. But let's hold on. What I told you that the number should be divisible by both. If the number is divisible by both of these numbers, so that particular number will also be divisible by 72. Now let's check if this number is completely divisible by 9 or not. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? It is really simple. Sum of all the digits, 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, which is 18, 18, it will become 21, 21 plus 6, which is equals to 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So the divisibility rule of 9 is very simple. If the digits of the number, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, it means that particular number will also be divisible by 9. So 9 3 is 27, it means this number is completely divided by 8 and also by 9. So what does it mean? This number will also be divisible by 72. Okay, you can check it further. So it means the value of x is 6. So our first option is the correct option. Thank you.